In April 2017, there was a significant flood event. In the Waioeka Otara River scheme, there were over 60 sites of individual damage. The Bay of Plenty Regional Council, along with local contractors, have been focused over the last 4 years in repairing that damage, and the last of those sites was repaired earlier this year.
This is a typical rock repair job we carried out on the Otara River. The main purpose of this was to repair major riverbank erosion, which was threatening a rural stop bank immediately behind it. The rock will eventually get covered up with grasses and vegetation, so it's not so visible. We are trying to encourage a little bit of vegetation there for fish life and bird life, and it does secure the rock to prevent further erosion. This is a site on the Waioeka River where we had a vertical bank eroding away. So what we've done here, we've tried to protect it by minimising the amount of rock used on the bank, putting tow rock in, battering the bank off to a fairly flat batter, getting grasses to grow, planting willows behind it to stabilise it behind, and then native cabbage trees and toi behind that.
We want to say a big thank you to local property owners and the whole community for assisting us in undertaking this repair work. It's been a huge job, but now that it's complete, we can be assured that our flood defences are much more robust.